Dear students, we are studying the introduction to the theories of evolution. And in this chapter, we have studied the Lamarckism, Darwinism, then Hugo-de-Vries theory, and last one, that is the Neo-Darwinism. This Neo-Darwinism theory of evolution is also called as the modern synthetic theory. This theory is recent theory and it is more accepted. It is very new one, recent theory. Now listen here, the Darwin, Darwin given one theory, Darwinism. So here Darwin and Wallace, these two scientists proposed a theory about the organic evolution. Darwin and Wallace, remember, Darwin and Wallace proposed a theory about the evidences of organism, and that theory is named as Neo-Darwinism. Now here you know the answer of Neo-Darwinism or definition of Neo-Darwinism. What is the Neo-Darwinism? So Darwin and Wallace proposed a theory of organic evolution, and after the Darwin and Wallace, that theory is named as the Neo-Darwinism. Neo-Darwinism. Here Neo means new one. Neo means new one here. Neo means new. Neo-Darwinism म्हणजे नवीन Darwinism. But in that the Wallace is also joined with the Darwin. So theory of evolution which is put forward or proposed by the Darwin and Wallace, that theory is called as the Neo-Darwinism, and that theory is also called as the modern synthetic theory. Modern synthetic theory, modern means recent one, new one, and synthetic means this theory is synthesized from Lamarckism, from Darwinism, from Hugo-de-Vries. सर्व थेरी मधून उत्क्रांतीचे जेवढे सिद्धांत मांडण्यात आलेले आहेत ते सर्व उत्क्रांतीच्या सिद्धांत मधून जे एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट काढलं, जे त्याचं एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट काढलं, निष्कर्ष काढलं, त्याला म्हणायचं न्यू डार्विनिझम किंवा मॉडर्न सिंथेटिक थेरी और न्यू थेरी, रिसेंट थेरी about the evolution of organisms. Dear students, listen here. This theory is the advanced studies. Neo-Darwinism is the advanced studies of genetics. काय आहे ह्या थेरीमध्ये? तर ह्या थेरीमध्ये काय आहे? ॲडव्हान्स्ड स्टडी. कशाची ॲडव्हान्स्ड स्टडी? तर जेनेटिक्सची, मॉलिक्युलर बायोलॉजीची, पॅलिओन्टॉलॉजीची, ecology and ethology. Genetics, you have studied in the previous semester, genetics, the study of heredity and variation. Then molecular biology, the biology of the molecules of the organisms. Then paleontology, the study of the dead remains of the past animals and plants, paleontology. There are paleobotany and paleozoology. So paleobotany means a study of dead remains of the plants only, and paleozoology means the study of dead remains of past animals. So that is collectively called as the paleontology. Then ecology, study of the environment, study of our surroundings, our habitats, and ethology. Ethology means the study of animal behaviors. So these all studies, advanced studies, are included in the Neo-Darwinism. Remember, this theory is recent one. Now, Neo-Darwinism means new one. And in this theory, there are different aspects. There are three important aspects in the Neo-Darwinism. So first one is, what is the first one? You listen here. The evolution taken place, or the evolution taken in past, that is one aspect. Even Neo-Darwinism, first aspect is evolution which is taken in the past, previous. Second one is the mechanism, results in evolution. In evolution there is the mechanisms, that is natural selection of genes. निसर्ग select करता genes, natural selection of genes. This is the second aspect. Now third, evolution taking place today. Evolution taking place today. So that is the evolution in action. That is the evolution in action. So this is the three important aspects in the Neo-Darwinism or modern synthetic theory. Now, evidences for past evolution. Evidences म्हणजे पुरावे, proof. Evidence means the proof. म्हणजे theory सिद्ध करण्यासाठी जे पुरावा लागतो, that is called as the evidences or proof. So evidences for past evolution, आधीची झालेली उत्क्रांती, comes from geology. Geology means study of the earth science. याला मराठीमध्ये म्हणतात भूशास्त्र. जिओलॉजी म्हणजे भूशास्त्र. इट इज अ इंडिपेंडेंट स्टडी ऑफ द अर्थ इंटेरियर अँड द अर्थ क्रस्ट म्हणजे भूशास्त्र. नाउ इनहेरिटन्स कम्स फ्रॉम द मेंडेलियन जेनेटिक्स. इन द evolution there is the study of inheritance also, and that comes from the Mendel's genetics or Mendelism. Now, evidences in evolution in action, prose, present population, genetics, genetic engineering, and speciation. Evolution in action, prose. What prose? Present population, genetics, genetic engineering, speciation. Now, features of the Neo-Darwinism. There are different features of the Neo-Darwinism. Mutation are raw material. In the Neo-Darwinism, the Darwin and Wallace suggest that mutation are the raw material for the evolution. It is the adaptive characters. Adaptation, adaptive character means the character which is developed for the adjustment. That is called as the adaptation. Adaptation is very important in the animals. The animals, those having the adaptive power or adaptation characters, that animals will survive, that animals will continue. And animals, those not adjust with their surroundings, means they does not have adaptive power or adaptation, that finished. वातावरणाशी जो स्वतः जुळून घेतो त्याला म्हणायचं अडॅप्टेशन. आणि ज्याच्यामध्ये अडॅप्टिव्ह पॉवर आहे, जो प्राणी अडॅप्टेशन करू शकतो, ऍडजस्टमेंट करू शकतो, तोच ॲनिमल जिवंत राहू शकतो. अदरवाइज दॅट विल बी फिनिश. सो हियर देर आर द डिफरंट फीचर्स. सो डिअर स्टुडंट्स, द नोट्स, in the notes the 7 features are selected. So if we are studying the very vast, then we will remember something for the writing. 2 पेजेस आपण जर वाचलं आणि तेच 2 पेजेस आपल्याला जर लिहायला सांगितलं तर आपण 2 पेजेस ॲज इट इज लिहू शकत नाही. आपण एकच पेजेस लिहू शकतो. 2 पेजेस वाचल्यानंतर आपण एकच पेजेस लिहू शकत असेल, किंवा 2 पेजेस वाचल्यानंतर आपण अर्धाच पेजेस लिहू शकत असेल, तर आपण अवांतर असं वाचन करायला पाहिजे. डीप मध्ये आपण स्टडी करायला पाहिजे. तर एक एक गोष्ट आपल्याला आठवते आणि त्याच्यामधून आपल्याला क्वांटिटी इन द डिस्क्रिप्टिव्ह फॉर्म ऑफ एक्झामिनेशन, द क्वांटिटी ऑफ मॅटर अँड क्वालिटी ऑफ मॅटर, बोथ थिंग्स आर इसेन्शियल. गुणात्मक आणि संख्यात्मक दोन्ही याची गरज असते. आता एक्झामिनेशन आपली ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह टाईप होत आहे, म्हणून आपल्याला सेंटेन्स टू सेंटेन्स वाचायचं आहे. So here students, the first feature is the characters are determined by genes. Changes take place in gene pool due to recombination and mutation. Mutation are raw material for evolution by natural selection. Mutation provide variations, differences with constant changes in the environment. So there are number of features, there are number of these aspects, but we have to study or we have to write as our examination time, because in the examination time is given and in that time we have to write the matter. So examination view, the notes is in the sense of examination view. So dear students, remember today's period we have studied the neo-Darwinism, that is the modern synthetic theory. It is put forward by Darwin and Wallace. It is a new one. So that's why called as the neo-Darwinism. Neo means news. So dear student, after observing this YouTube lecture, you send your presentee as early as possible. काही विद्यार्थी 1 दिवसानंतर अटेंडन्स पाठवतात, काही विद्यार्थी 2 दिवसानंतर, 3 दिवसानंतर अटेंडन्स पाठवतात. एवढं उशीर असे अटेंडन्स पाठवण्यासाठी एवढं उशीर नाही करायचं. हे YouTube वरती आम्ही लेक्चर टाकलं, हा पिरियड YouTube वर टाकलं की 4-5 तासामध्ये जास्तीत जास्त हे दुसरं पिरियड होण्यापर्यंत हा अटेंडन्स तुमची यायला पाहिजे. आपण वर्क फ्रॉम होम करतो, तर आजचा पिरियड आपण किती वाजता टाकलं त्याच्यानंतर आपण साधारणतः 4-5 तासामध्ये सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांची अटेंडन्स यायला पाहिजे. रिमेंबर, all students should send your presentee at least within 4 or 5 hours. So for today it is sufficient. Here the first chapter from unit 1 is completed. आता दुसऱ्या पिरियड मध्ये आपण नवीन चॅप्टर सुरू करणार. So for today it is sufficient. Thank you very much. धन्यवाद.